Alright, 5 minutes ago this thing was in shambles, and now RTF baby. But Wally boy over there has gotten scared. So he's breaking out his plane. Oh faithful that it hasn't even crashed once yet. So he's having his
my Lovejoy plane.
his Lovejoy and his confidence booster. Beast. Here's the animal right here. Taming the beast. Just don't fly in the sun, eh?
Wanna try that shot again?
Wait, you wanna try again?
Oh, my skirts are too big. I have to fix that first.
Okay, I'll record this landing and then I'll go into camera mode. Alright, this is a short-lived video. Hopefully I get shitloads of hits. And that's how it's done in the big leagues.
Fix some skirts for picture, buddy.
Alright, that's a wrap.